Metie for Akwabadiaba Ahwenepa 95.5 FM so agudie mu nsam yatena sensam awdro no eba eye wakwemo ene ewie na yetumi enso akoye ne montie bewura mo enkrofo kruso na ensam aboaboa no yetumi ade afi no mo etumi enso ade abasa so ne baba fi ni atoa so ewo fi etumi enso ade amama enye asem ketakra enso ewo ho anenti mama yenhye no so na nioma entumi enso entadi anenti no ensam no eba eye wakwemo enye asem ketakra ewo nti no sports minister enso kasa sa fa ensam bebrebe hom anenti yedon sambe to aso brepemo etumi enso edi amama enye asem ketakra ewo ho ade 32nd GFA ordinary congress no enso etumi eba so anenti no yedon sam ebeto aso etumi edi abra sports minister enso etumi akasa ade afa ayesa congress no ho ebekasa etumi edi afa ho enawie ewo 95.5 FM so enya asem ketakra Benjamin Asare brand new car onso nsa etumi aka no what I say on the best domestic player Eba Blasters ni Moantino ono so nensa aka chede a brepom ye don some ebeto so etimi ede amamo ewo 95.5 FM so transfer ho sensam so be room na de ekoso no yetimi aye ho adwuma etimi enso ede amamo enawie na yetimi enso akọ yenima enye asem ketu akranti sam no enso eba aye wakwam yansa ebre ye be room na yakọ nkrofo kruso na ensem kakra ya boabo no etimi enso aye ho adwuma etimi enso ede amamo anenti mama yenhye no so ye pan samane ba na mbomodi ana hye no so ma se oya wadru no be ma osa etumi akabe eno aye bambam helba bam no ose ojabes oya obetu efio so aposo ya na etaya oya odie eya hodutu odie esasabro ebe kamfo aye bambam helba bam no etumi enso ede ama oye pa enye asem ketakra osisi eta eya oya waposo aye oya no onye bi na de srasra ebetumi enso aboam wachi bremo kese okon ena eya oya opebam na dia massage ni pedua no ama hoto etimi abamu da obeda hatia ne nyina no eye bambam helba bam no ena ebetumi enso edi wasem ede amawa ye kanfo etimi ede amanti moja bedi afrosane awoni pedua no ma ohia eye bambam helba bam ni bi na so etimi enso ayisu odwarewia na honam kekao odi ahotutu sabro yaka wasem etimi enso ede achiro o 90 pro ne nyina ebekos sabro no ebejane bomodi amansanka aye bambam helba bam no ebetumi enso abo ayepa enenti Kumasi have made pharmacy oko Kolinak Freddie Menseba ebetumi enso akabi ewo honoma enon aye oyawo edro prekope no wonya bia ebetumi enso so abo ayepa masa sabro ahodutu no nyina ebetumi enso adwane afi so akọ enti ere semno enso atwa so etumi edi amama onse adi kabo amane se Biomanic wamo play for Jama Mushala and sentiment no what ase free aye weekend atwemo enso eba no 2 matches aye Biomanic wamo boy no player no enso etimi etwahwe apramaso na akwakwaya ro sempa ade amawiase football eyo mo game amane ID ham ade boy ni ene chese other gamer omonso etimi boy no na chese obon aye din yepa ade ama Biomanic wamo enso club na enye asem ketakra ewo ho na yemfa ema etiefo wodwani enso echiroma Biomanic no omo honorary president Orefan Olihones wonom aye chese ne wode atuja se omo eho atomo ne nyina no se ekoba se Jama Mushala wono so ejina pramano so a na o collapse nyina no de boy ne se eyade a neurologist no wabomodin atwere written confirmation na dia dance pefe se eya Jama Mushala obetumi enso ejina pramano so etumi enso abobo what you say na ekoba say no enanka ebia na eye written eye confirmation bia so eni honomo aw na mama kwan ema player no enso ekoko gina pramano so etimi ebo sa pre-season game na enka ba now enkoma so be hye pa eno enso eye chese honorary president na di ono so etimi ade atuja Orefan Olihones ensema no so ade ba ere wonsam enso atwa so etimi ade amamo 95.5 FM so anenti oma yanshano so na yentimi enso enkwenim na orande atuja se enyo mopem pem eno wankasa gina so enso ede ekoko ye se player no onkonko gina prama no so enso ema aye Bayern Munich no wamo enso team no na ekoba se doctor na se ne neurologist no ebo maden ema so metumi enso okla kwan mu ade mo se player no betuma ball so akogina mu a na ohwetwahwe no na omokro no eyomo wanwa omote shock what you say na ade no so akwa ha dwi pa anya asem keto anem no ogidi pause esi ade bibia enso ade na kwan mu ade ma aye player la efa Jamal Musiala enom aye tesoro fa Oli Hornes enso no so ade ababonte don sam no enso eto so ade amamo 95.5 FM so ene awie ya yemfa metie vosa kopie ma Madrid boboku no omo anya present enso aye kama eno enso Florentino Perez wono enso ade no anenti zenu kakra Madrid for players ni nyina no ye omo achirechire chese new season no eno so chance anenti awasa supporters no ehu omo players omo so eba be adwuma for the new season no atimi ade ma Madrid omo team no anenti odo ene chire ma Ibrahima Konyate one Florentino Perez posia ade a Jesse number 16 Jesse no yabamade a present ade ma no ene Jesse number obeshe for the rest of 4 years Madrid for atimi enso ade assign oruefe Ibrahima Konyata eno enso aye ensem bia etimi enso atojare no anti Madrid for ehwenu se kwambia so ye na oye de ama Liverpool anioma efa ede ama Liverpool no betimi enso abeto so ede ama Madrid na anioma etimi enso aye kama ede ama Real Madrid the White Angels aye bobo kuda enom enso aye ensem bia etimi enso atojare no and it's finally Ibrahima Konyate anya present no ede achira Real Madrid faithful sana fe supporters ni nyina enom enso aye ensem bia etimi atojare no emfa ema etiefo na yetimi enkwenu dia na aye say enso anatia unu se Enzo Fernandez so betna Chelsea so beko wobinim ene ne Fariba yenim dia ebetumi enso akoso ewo ehonomo na Joko anadin some enso atuja or say the perfect replacement for Abrante friend Rodrigo Cascante eno enso aye Joko aye player your friend Enzo Fernandez obono ball Edema Chelsea wamo enso club no or say Rodrigo Cascante no onye easy player obetimi enso a replace this what you say ehia 2 players wamo ene betimi enso a replace aye oruefa Rodrigo Cascante as a player na aye kana sem no what you say baby ohodmo oye adwuma no what you say edema Manchester City na wefi o akopie mu enso FC Barcelona ene ntinom enho behia say Manchester City o meko transfer market ni mo na makakọ from aye player for Enzo Fernandez no so ababe adwuma etimi ede ama bobuku no na enioma etimi enso ayakama esanse ene the technical ability Rodrigo Cascante enso ewono ne perfect aye match and also replacement no and also aye Enzo Fernandez obono ball edema Manchester City wamon enso club no or say ene odu ene chirema Elliot Anderson already no ono de wetimi enso abade ma Manchester City wamon enso club no nemo no Elliot Anderson ono kwam entimi enya sa adwuma no ema Manchester City omo club no ejuma na Rodrigo Cascante no masa ana no odin enya better crowd as just Mr Everywhere apramano so obehu aye player from Rodrigo Cascante okwa fam okọ benkum na oba na chi na okọ nanimo sa ejuma no enya better sa enentino ene still na City for ehia another player one also wabetimi aya sa adwuma no aka Elliot Anderson ho na sa perfect aye player no ene Enzo Fernandez eno enso de eto no ogidi ma pasa kwambi aso sa do no ebetimi enso ago through e de Manchester City omotim na eno enso aye Joko emre bi etwom no so ebo adwuma e de ma aye Chelsea omotim no de no so etimi ade ababonte e don 7 bi enso eto so ade amamo e 95 aye.5 FM so enye asem ketakra e wo ho na yento so for the and no aside atuja or see yanka amobibianchi sem and semi on my esre what you say or tiana was che it's a football pamba penso akwa kodru no nyina nsa ohwema yes Pedro Neto 100 million pounds ope Pedro Neto for 100 million pounds ebefa no our Chelsea club no enso akachi or say dabi or say obi bia ni honoma or a sensible person football mo obetabri 100 million pounds say or the kwakofa a player your friend Pedro Neto and name about so babe yejuma etubi enso ede amane club no what you say or say only a club sir or more Saudi Arabia ebi omo ɛna ebetumi enso ato aye Pedro Neto sabuo na Chelsea wamo etimi enso ede ato Pedro Neto so no enya dia ene omiti aye sabuo no eno aye Joko nsɛm bia wono so etimi ede atoja enenti ɔse ɛyɛ no wɔn papa se nei ne value no ɛne no ɛne boɔ no ate aseɛ ne bɔɔ no ɔbɔ no ɛne kyɛ sɛ boɔ no ɛmfa ɛno nso Joko nsɛm no bia watumi ɛde atogya ɛde afa Pedro Neto ho ɛde nsɛm no nso ɛtoa so ɛtumi nso ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ ayɛ dwumade no so ɛne nti yɛhwɛ sɛ Pedro Neto bɛtoa so ɛwɔ Chelsea anaasɛ Pedro Neto ɔbɛfi ayɛ Chelsea club no mo ɛde n'ani akyerɛ baabi foforɔ ɛno ayɛ berɛ ɛna bɛtumi nso akyerɛ ɛde wɔn nsɛm no bi nso ɛtoa so ɛde ama mo ɛno Atletico de Madrid bobokuo no ɛmfam ama etiefo so mo ne Malaha game no etimi ba na wie na Artico ahyɛ mmienu ama Malaha wɔn nso no etimi ante saa ɛka na ɛno ayɛ game a etimi nso ɛtogya na akwadare so bi ɔno yɛ defender wɔabɔmɔden nso ayɛ record ɛde ama Atletico de Madrid ɔmo team no Jorge Dominguez wɔadi 16 years wate aseɛ ɛno nso ɛde ɛteɛ no no ɛno a onyane derby game ɛde ma de Coconeros ɛno ayɛ Atletico de Madrid wɔn nso team no ɛne nti yɛmfa metiefo sɛ ɛno a Diego Pablo Simeone ɛnya akokoduro ɛbɔ ɔmɔden ɛma no starting game no nso ɛde ma na 16 years 8 months 2 days Dominguez ɔno ɛna gyina mu na ne papa nso ayɛ Spain ni ne maame efiri Congo ɛno ɛde ɛteɛ no no na okopie ma sɛsɛ no ɔbaa bɛyɛ the youngest ayɛ defender watimi nso ɛgyina mu ɛde ama Atletico de Madrid wɔn nso team no since 1984 wagye ase ntiakyerɛ sɛ nei wayɛ adwuma paa the last ayɛ player ɔyɛ saa deɛ no na yɛ Jose Luis Martinez wagye ase ɔno anagye sɛ nei wɔtumi ɛyɛ saa record no a mene woka sɛ ɛyɛ player Dominguez ɔno nso watumi ayɛ bi ama nneɛma etumi nso ayɛ kama ɛno nso ɛdeɛ ɛto gya de wɔn nsɛm no ɛde ma mo ɛntiɛ nora na ɔne Coque Resurrection mo ɛde gyina aprama no so a ɔmo ɛdi agorɔ ɛde ama Atletico de Madrid ɔmo team no a nneɛma etumi nso ɛfa ayɛ ɛde ma Artico ɔmo team no yɛnhyɛ no so na nneɛma etumi nso ɛnyɛ kama ɛwɔ ɛyɛ saa kwan no so ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛne nti ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛteɛ no na ɔdu sɛ player no Tama ɛyɛ player yɛfrɛ Coque Resurrection wɔn nso ɛde ne nan ɛka ball ɛde ma Atletico de Madrid no na yɛn ho saa player na ɛnra ogyina mu ɛde ma Atletico de Madrid no wagye asɛ na ɔnyɛ ma wiase ɛno ɛyɛ deɛ teɛ no na ɔhyɛ ne maame yam ɛsan sɛ ɛyɛ ade a Coque Resurrection ɔhyɛ ne game ase ɛde ma Artico 19th September 2009 ɛno nso ɛyɛ deɛ teɛ no ɛna akwadaa no so no yɛwɔ no December 2009 nti no na yɛ sɛ saa bɛbɛ ne teɛ Coque hyɛ aseɛ de ma Artico no na player na ɛnora yɛka no asɛm a ɔbɔ mmɔden agyina mu making a debut ɛde ma Atletico de Madrid no ɛyɛ Dominguez na ɔno nso ɔma ɛyɛ asase so ɛnɛ yi yɛabɛwo no wayɛ nyɛɛ wɔne ɛyɛ Coque asa bɛgyina plama so etimi abo game ama nneɛma etimi nso ayɛ kama ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛto gya de wɔn nsɛm no nso ɛtoa so etimi ɛde ama mo 95.5 FM so a ɛno nso ayɛ Dominguez ɔno nso ɛdeɛ de wɔn nsɛm no ɛde ma mo ɛnora player no ofili très bien nneɛma ɛkɔ yi ɛde ma no wana nye no de biara da sɛ ɔbɛnya saa opportunity a ɛnora yɛtimi ɛde ma no saa deɛ no etimi nso abɔ mu de ama no ne ɔdan tesene coach ase yie pa ɛno nso ɛyɛ nsɛm no bia ɛto gya ɛde wɔn nsɛm nso ɛtoa so etimi ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadi no so yɛmfa ɛma etiefo according to Correo de la Sera ɛne report no nso aba bɛtogya according to newspaper no American fund a yɛfrɛ mo ɛyɛ Oak Tree yɛmfa ma etiefo sɛ ɛnɛ yi ɔmo nso consider sɛ ɔmo bɛtumi atɔn ɛyɛ minority stake ɛde ama ɛyɛ different company na nneɛma etimi nso ayɛ kama ɛde ama mo ɛno ɛyɛ nei ukɔ Inter Milan wɔn club no mu a ɛyɛ Oak Tree mpanimfoɔ no on bese ne omoso eton aye stake ni bi edema other companies na nioma etimi enso aye kama no ensem no bia etimi atoja do sem no enso eto so ede amamo ewo aye jumade so enye asem keto akra ewo ho enentina ade business aye takums awodo omo etimi enso atwemuti se kwambia so omo so enyaya omo etimi enso ato shells enso ewo Inter bubuku no mo na bibia so etimi aye kama eno aye report ni bia every Inter omo enso aso aye ebedo sem no enso edema na dodo mpeso moton no aye around 1.5 billion euro eno enso ade etimi enso atoja no enenti ya hwesa bibia betimi enso aye kama ama omo a ombetimi enso ade omo horemo na bibia so etimi ataidia eno aye semede bia eba ero sem enso eto so etimi ade mama enye asem keto akra ewo ho na aye former player adema Brazil Seleção wamo etimi no former Ballon d'Or winner informative for eno aye Ronaldinho yekase wono so anya arrive our Ravina na amafo be bisa se amane ese no club no oma sign eye orua ye friend Ronaldinho what ya say Gaucho assist Mora ene okwakoye adwuma etimi enso ade amomo a menoka se walande awo Romania ano enso eye de etimi enso atoja no former Barcelona former AC Milan one player about 1150 anopano and Orlando here our Folly Ridolfi Airport our Italy and so at the etimi atoja abroad the private flight and so everymo amanioma etimi and so kama menoka say ordinary echemo Ravina na anyoma etimi and so ayakama enye asem ketakra say no ho and on so kwakosi akan etimi and so ade amomo na bibia so etimi atadia enye asem ketakra na supporters outdoor and some ababeshiana chese selfies outdoor etimi and so akoso enya sem ketanti no club no inti abo 8:30 p.m. Ekopim 10 p.m. and as our event no ebetumi anso akoso abaya 5,000 to 6,000 ayo supporters there omo hwenu mi se kwambia so eye beach aho and chese jumadi no ebetumi enso akoso enenti yemfa ema etiefo se odwani enso echirema kwambia so jese unia eba be adwuma yes na so Oshero na junior 46 year old what you see na osie free play mo na jese manfo ba be hia no ekwan na omoje no yo ne ye boje no so a na jese enya sem ketua granting crofo no amafa aye plan bia ombeso moye na just amanfo ani ba omotimi no ho na bebe bia so etimi aye kama enso ade amomo a eno enso ade etimi atoja enenti ya hwede Ronaldinho wano so obabe ewo aye football mo abra osa a return na niom Ronaldo dos Santos Alvaro as reference point aye ma Madrid no de ne Ronaldo guso a oye no eno a ana player bia function the team player bia emfa Ronaldo suban na omoye sade na ebetumi enso aboa Real Madrid na enioma etumi enso akoyie etumi enso ade amomo enti Marco Kuyara ena de to just Jose Mourinho was say ene Jose aka kire mu nyina so mo training to say the war Cristiano Ronaldo waye the training no what you say eno ana ebetumi enso aboa na enioma etumi enso ekamantine obesa enioma fa adema Real Madrid dia na was obi a training at the Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Alvaro na so didi pass no etumi enso aboa ebeboa amatese players no be a confidence level etumi enso abasoro ewa prama no so na enioma etumi enso asesa edema Madrid am club na eno aya ensomene bia eba edon sam enso ema etiefo na yentumi enso enko yenemo ewo aye jumade so Mikel Arteta yemfa ema etiefo se no sia de Arsenal focus so sensan enenti Ezri Konza wanya ajene aye Arsenal the Gunners wamo team no Arsenal for enia bresa kwambia so title no de ewo so mo defend na enioma etimi enso ekoyi edemomo already no Christos aye Cholis etimi enso aba from Air Club Rouge enioma ekoyi etimi ede ama Arsenal team no na nkomo pe Vinicius Junior nemo no Vinicius Junior de former kon ho esa to aso edema Madrid aye boboku no enentino yemfamete for say new player Arsenal for air target yemfamete for so obon ball edema Juventus wamo team no Kenan Yildiz what you say ono aye winger yes Arsenal omani abrea omope no so ono so eba be adwuma etimi enso ade amomo a eno ade etimi atoja no na Arsenal for be player na de ne muntie enya ade a player no ne bo from kra 85 million pounds 85 million pounds and sika and just Arsenal omobo modern elko omoko fesimo na omo de Roma Juventus Arsenal Juventus for etimi anso ahwe anymore some be jack na yodes mo amono so ababe yejuma adama Arsenal the Gunners omo anso a club na and de etoja and some anso atwaso ade amamo ewo aya juma so and entimo yansha no so na nioma entimi entered into Azri Konza and to be obey medical etimi anso ade ama Arsenal omo a club no na bibia so etimi atadia eno aye ensomede bia etoja ero some anso atwaso ade amamo awo jumados na no na ro Ferdinand say Arsenal for mani ate Arsenal for mo yebue Arsenal yenya modeni Arsenal for ma yade what you say Azri Konza makwa no omra me yejuma amamo no ma yade passes a player no monso makofona oye sign na obetumi aboa Arsenal ama empun Arsenal mani so ade hunu no ene ama betumi anso aye kama ade ama Arsenal omo club no na ma so betumi anso defend omo title eno anso aye ensomede bia ro Ferdinand ade atujado sem no etwaso etimi ade amamo ene awie awo aye 95 aye .5 FM so anenti yansha no so na niema etimi anso anya kama eno ade etimi anso atujano no na urun se ene Bernardo Silva anani achirem Real Madrid wamo anso a club no mo na eno anane wodwani achirema mi atoja don samo also twaso etimi adi amamo awo 95.5 FM so enye asem ketakra ho anenti mama yansha no sonania ma etimi enso enter the Wolverhampton Wanderers yemfam amatie for say nei oma complete loan deal eno aye Wolves ama midfielder Jordan James from Le Championnat Club you're from Rene what I say me no ka say oma bomodem enso a complete a loan deal for Jordan James oba be adwuma etimi enso ade amomo eno enso a report ni bia yensa eke don samo enso ade momenti nei Wolverhampton Wanderers wamonso ani abre omonsa akomo fourth summer signing eno ayeke rentripie omonsa ka Raul Jimenez omonsa ka Rafiki Said and I see ayeka say abrande efana aye James ononso omonsa etimi enso akarache so whoops omonso ani abra nya fedi agrokra and omoba bedi enso awo aye Premier League nima eno aye ensomede bia atoja edon some enso atwaso etimi ade amamo ene awie awo 95.5 FM so emfa emetie vosa Liverpool wamo etimi nom yakase ya no omane Inter Milan agreement etimi ayajuma for omo player Curtis Jones one so no kwakoye adwuma ede ama Inter Milan wamo club no na 35 million euros enom sika etimi anso euros no ene add-ons ebetimi anso aba enenti fixed 30 million euros ne no o the add-ons no ka ho na chese ade no akwakoye 35 million euros eno ensemere bia etoja don semeno eto aso nti neya no ombeton Curtis Jones Liverpool for our 10% sell on clause. What you say, Bobby Amade Bajano, Liverpool, our more 10%, and non and so I and somebody be a eba, and on some and so atwaso, and into Liverpool, a more Augusto Tonton, a more say baby be able to me and so I come at me at the ama a year club now, and no I under Andoni Erola, one also at the eba, and on some and so atwaso, at me at the amama, and no and so at the Tiano, Yantwazo Akra MT for not yet to me and sorry so now I be for also a room na nioma etimi enso enter Diana say enso eneti ewo honomo na Ibrahima Konyate one so after say ne ye bo modem pa no to manase present no ere ne kira no one so etimi ekasa kakra de okanyina etiawa Hala Madrid what you say Hala Madrid distance na so no so no oba be adwuma no etimi enso ade mama South na do ani kire mo Barcelona informate ever say Yao Cancelo one so no presentation no koso de dendia enye asem ketu akra we bia so etimi enso aye kama eno aye ensem bia etoja edon sam enso etwa so ade mama according to ESPN wamana dia ba bonten say top 10 goalkeepers ewiase afana nyina no according to omo no we no mo de ba ye omo se number 10 aye Mafi Sofanov ɔbɔ ball ɛdema PLG ɔyɛ Russia ni wate ase ɔyɛ number 10 number 9 ɛyɛ Jordan Pickford wɔno ɛbɔ ball ɛdema Everton ɔyɛ England ni number 3 Gianluigi Donnarumma number 2 Thibaut Courtois number 1 David Raya and nti ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛtoja yɛde some ɛde according to ESPN wɔn ɛso ɛde wɔn de aba abɔnten a yɛde some no ɛnso ɛtoa so ɛde wɔn official yɛn confirm mate for say João Cancelo wɔn nso acomplete adeɛ abasafoɔ wɔn ɛnso acomplete ne deal no ɔba bɛyɛ adwuma as a free agent ɔba wɔn bɛyɛ adwuma ɛnso ɛde ama ɛyɛ boboku a yɛfrɛ wɔn FC Barcelona ɛno yɛ João Cancelo ɔno nso deɛ ɛtoja de wɔn nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtoa so ɛde amamo ɛnɛ awie ɛwɔ 95.5 FM so Yan Diamonde wɔde atoja wɔsɔ ɔne Didier Drogba ɛdi nkɔmɔ na ɔne ne di nkɔmɔ mpo no ɛnkyɛ koraa wate aseɛ na Drogba ɛka kyerɛ no sɛ ɔnyɛ very very careful ɔmfa Jose Mourinho sɛ ne papa wate aseɛ na ɔnyɛ adwumaden ɛnso ɛmfama Jose Mourinho na ɔnyɛ a very good guy na ɔno no ɔne Jose Mourinho ayɛ adwuma pɛn ɛne nti no ɔno nso no ɔbɛfa Didier Drogba ɛnso message no na ɔde ayɛ adwuma ma nneɛma ɛtumi ɛnso ayɛ kama na Yan Diamonde ɛnso ɛkyerɛ mu a sɛ wobɔ de ma Jose Mourinho a ɛte sɛ nne ɔwɔ sɛ woku ho ɛte sɛ deɛ woku ho ɛde ama kyɛ sɛ adeɛ bi a wopɛ no wate aseɛ nti ɔno so ayɛ ready sɛ ɔbɛku no ho ɛde ama Jose Mourinho ɛne yɛ Yan Diamonde ɛsoma no so ɛtumi ɛde atogya ɛne wɔn nsɛm no ɛnso ɛde ɛma mo ɛnɛ awie ɛwɔ 95.5 FM so Ibrahima Konate ɛkyerɛ mu a ɔno ankasa no ne first ɛyɛ kit a ɔsɔ mu na ɛyɛ Real Madrid ɔmo kit footballers ɛne ntorɔ sɛ nokorɛ sɛ nyɛ nokorɛ no kɔ n'anim wɔsɔ ɔno wɔsi so no ne first kit a ɔsɔ mu na ɛyɛ Madrid fɔ deɛ wate aseɛ na ɛyɛ ne nua bɛma ɛna de maa no as gift nti no ɛyɛ adeɛ a Madrid fɔ deɛ ɛnyɛ nnɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔmo baayɛ ɛna ɔbɛka sɛ o na afei na Madrid ɔka nsɛmpa da bi ɔno ankasa na sɛ ɔno nanamu a ɔba bɛpie mu a Liverpool no na ne nua bɛma atumi nso akyɛ no Real Madrid foɔ wɔn nso ɛketa ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛto nti nyɛ wɔn a nti akwanya no aba na ɔno nso ba bɛyɛ adwuma deɛ a ɛyɛ sɛ wɔatwa fufuo ma no atɔ nkwan mu nneɛma ɛbɛkɔ yie nso atumi ɛde ama no ɛno nso ɛdeɛ ɛto gya de wɔn nsɛm no nso ɛtoa so ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ adwuma de no so ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa ɛwɔ hɔ ɛne nti na ɛyɛ nsɛm no bi a ɛtumi ato gya ɔno sɛ Manchester United foɔ wɔn asa returning to negotiation table wɔn kɔ for Brighton and Hove Albion Carlos Baleba wɔn kɔ akɔhwɛ sɛ wɔn sa ɛbɛtumi aka Carlos Baleba na Carlos aba abɛyɛ adwuma nso ɛtumi ɛde ama ɛyɛ Manchester United the Old Devils the Red Devils na bibi bia nso ɛtumi nso atae din a ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm no bi a ɛto gya ɛde wɔn nsɛm nso ɛtoa so ɛtumi ɛde ama mo 95.5 FM so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa ɛne nti no na yɛde bɛsi nso ɛwɔ ha na mmom hyɛ no nso ma me sɛ ɛnɛ yi ɔpɛ kaa atɔ anaasɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔtu kwan ɛne nyinaa no ɛnɛ yi ayɛ fofofo ɛde ama wo mɔma yɛhyɛ no nso ɔpɛ baabi nso bɛka sɛ ebi aka na nkasa wo ne bi ɔpɛ sɛ wokɔkɔ han bi na ande nya comfortable ride ne nyinaa no aba bɛdwa nso ɛde ama wo bɔmmɔden ahyɛ no nso ɛyɛ Abdul Mumin Enterprise alaji important no ɔde aba bɛdwa ɛnya asɛm ketewa koraa ɛne nti no sɛ ɛnɛ yi ɔpɛ auto ɛyɛ sales motor sales a ne nyinaa no your trusted ɛyɛ person partner ɛwɔ sɛ wokɔ ɛyɛ Abdul Mumin ate aseɛ Enterprise alaji important na hɔ ɛna wɔ sɛ wokɔ na ɔkɔ kɔgye saa nneɛma ne nyinaa bi into ɔpɛ spare parts ɔpɛ car rentals ne nyinaa no wate aseɛ ebu so ɛwɔ hɔ enti bɔmmɔden akɔɛ na ɛkɔ kɔgye odeɛ ɛnɛ yi luxury sales family car people careers yi pickup trucks yi ne nyinaa etimi nso ebu so ɛne nti no ɔpɛ aboboya motorcycle ne bia ne nyinaa ebu so ɛwɔ Abdul Mumin Enterprise alaji important ɔkɔpɛ ɔnsa ɛbɛtumi nso aka bi ama nneɛma ɛtumi nso ayɛ kama ɛde ama wa ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛwɔ hɔ ɛne nti ɔmo ɛwɔ tars ɛwɔ hɔnom a ɛfiri ɛyɛ Italy first grade paa wate aseɛ ɛfiri Italy ɛne nti no bɔmmɔden akɔ na kɔkɔgye bi ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Abdul Mumin Enterprise na nneɛma etimi nso enye kama mfama na ma refi sɛ ohwehwɛ yɛ kyira kwan a yakwe what you say a honoma na abehu yen enkran Kumasi Kwantimpon no so ho ana abehu eye chese Abdulmumin Enterprise na wetime ene penifo edin komanti wofie akose ya to ani hwe obenkum so bo si ahyehye cars ahodo enso ewo ho ewo chese kantan mu a net ni mu a chese bibia so eye kama enya semketo akrantino eye nkone nkonkogye de enso ewo honom na enioma etimi enso entadin na emom no ye number no eye 0244 426 751 0244 426 751 and inti number yi and number free eye Alhaji Abdulmumin Enterprise na wetimi enso ene omo edin komo na bibia so eka mo so reliable eye affordable na ene awoso nya GDA enso ewo mumo na bibia so eye kama enti no in Allah we trust amoso ediano no mama yensha no so Unique Paradigm Endoscopy and Diagnostic Center bamodia na eniema etimi enso enye kama ewo ehonoma eno enso edie etimi enso atodwa no yensha no so na bibia so etimi enter di ewo saa kwan so na sha so se Asante Achim Community Bank PLC current account, savings account, fixed deposit account, susuwawa, ofru du apasusu loan, nini na yenshishia hodwa, oko asachima, wamo eyebi, and so ewo omo aso ya fa hobo mo na unu ho de biara da business ebe konanim na asa osika sam ebe tumi enso akonanim dia na eye Asante Achim Community Bank PLC amo ena yenim amo mama yenhya no so yie pa arenti no oko korongo Asante Achim ago oko odumase jaso ofase Roman Hall Alphon Kwanta aduase head office Jansa amabade mamobajuma adansidie no bebre na nefi omo enso aso yeba your number is 0243 021 486 0243 021 486 any penny for any come Skynet satellite Mr. Kenneth Kwakude na mrante gusu ya juma Master Decoder Star Times, DSTV, Go TV, Strong Combo, Canal Plus, Nina Ebuso, our Skynet satellite, Kotne Kokojo dear, Bosumena son, DSTV for Modiewu, Star Times Modiewu, Ebe Camfo, a Skynet satellite, and how also Chakwan Kokonongo, so Kwako recharge and Sewa Daji Kra, Swat Yasia, what the answer number we fa. Edru onoma ofrena wa send code no e de amano amount abeso recharge no eno so waka kire no na watimi enso ayene kama e de ama abra otifie 0244 454 029 0244 454 029 home of quality decoders Jaspon Hardwares and rental services and the cement fee no about China doors iron rosa and Nadua Hammers outdoor dear be this dined here Jaspon Hardwares and rental services amo ana yenimamo the ambulance Emma Hines Sasuna mattress outdoor tables and konya canopies nina ne bima high and enti wo modia na hwehwe chira kwan yewo yakwe Burkina Junction e hona bohu number no 0546 907272 and yeni nkobana nyoma enye kama forward ever backwards never show man block factory blocks ben size pain tight ben out pay ever forward ever backwards never show man block factory Osaka bia and nyoma betimi enso aye kama ye pa dem pillars sizes outdoor nyina etimi enso ebuso and enti kona kokojo dia kajo so bogu na ye butua ye dijuma nyoma enso etimi aye kama ede amaya enye asem ketokra and enti no mama yensha no so say 0558 319081 0558 319081 and then phone call Shadow Bar Center the new best my capsules no just when you be so ebe ye pa mama ya no so say what the boy near sisi no wa jemo mema de no no ebe boa osisi ya oya oba ne be ma betuma no bi ama hoden enso etima bandam san gonorrhea syphilis ne be ko ojo nso na mo hihye what ase eno echi osisi eta ya oya ebe kanfo edure friend new best my capsules no etimi enso ade ama sa wonya bi na yesupe bebe bia betumi enso aya kama ede ama wa enya semketo edrupa no oko drugstore pharmacy shops herbal shops outdoor on some ebetumi enso akabi 0244966043 0244966043 Imalife Natural Health Clinic wamonso account when in a problem no typhoid fever STDs ene ohonam takika odi stroke odi ulcer bamodi afako pm won kokko new station awada bo ho Imalife Natural Health Clinic na watchme ene doctor sa omonum de akwa akohia mpu na ɔmo so etimi asaw yare ɛne nti no yɛbɛhwɛ kyɛsɛ black group na yɛde gyina so enso asaw yare ɛyɛ nkɔkɔ new station no yɛ number yɛ 0549 052 397 0549 052 397 Baba Herbal Center at the Colum Herbal Powder Baja Sonya bi so a ɛbɛboa yɛ pa wa yɛ adwuma akra bia no abrɛ wa yɛ na ɔti fa dwaw wa wo da wontimi na wenu ma to a wontimi ne di ɔpɛ sɛ immune system na hoɔde be ma brɛ ne abrɛ nyina ɛyɛ Colum Herbal Powder ɛna ebetumi enso aboa ma nneɛma etimi enso ayɛ kama enso ɛde amante duru no enupa yi ɛnyɛ na ɔde wani kyerɛ mo enso ebi ɛtɔn ɛduro bia wonsa ebetumi aka wo Colum Herbal Powder now so wagye isu ama nneɛma etimi enso atadin ɛde ama 0205166008 na nneɛma etimi enso ayɛ kama Glorious Rentals ɛde 6-8 band hyɛn so ɛba live band a yɛmmɔ nnwoma kyɛ sɛ wasumunya ode events ahodoɔ ɛyie ate aseɛ wedding engagement parties ahodoɔ Glorious Rentals wɔn ɛne yɛ kanfo wɔn etimi enso ɛde ama monti yɛde nkonyama han yɛsade canopies stage light ne nyinaa no yɛtimi ɛde ma han enso ɛwɔ yaso ɛyɛ wɔn nkrɔfo wɔn to nnwoma kyɛ sɛ ne ɛka akoma yie pa ɛne nti no Glorious Rentals 6-8 band wɔn ɛna yɛ kanfo wɔn ɛde wɔn for events a ahodoɔ a wobɛtumi enso ayɛ ɛne nti kɔnɔgo ahyɛyɛm ɛhɔ ɛna wobɛtumi ɛho yɛn yɛn number yɛ 0207 495 788 0207 495 788 ɛne mpanimfoɔ nso ani nkɔmmɔ yɛaka kyerɛ sɛ ayade a free screening no ɛno nso ɛreba so ɛne yɛ Providence Healthcare free screening no ɛba so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛwɔ hɔ mɔma yɛnhyɛ no so nyame yɛ adom a ɛhyɛ aseɛ on the 24th of August ɛna dwumadie no ɛno nso ɛba so 24th of August ɛkɔpem 30th of August anɔpa 8 ɛkɔpem anwummerɛ 5 o'clock yɛnhyɛ no nso ɛno nti sɛ mo a monim Providence Healthcare no woduru kɔnɔngo a ɔsɛ ɔpɛ Paulina A. Sapon woduru Paulina A. Sapon a obiara bɛkyerɛ wo ɛyɛ baabi a Providence Healthcare wɔ anaasɛ wɔhwehwɛ Stellar Pharmacy baabi a Stellar Pharmacy wɔ no ɛyɛ abrɔsan no soro no pɛɛ ɛna wobɛhu ɛyɛ Providence Healthcare na watumi nso akɔ akɔsa ho yareɛ na nneɛma ayɛ kama blood pressure akɔkyɛke hepatitis B typhoid fever ne nyina akɔkɔ kyɛke quantum analyzer no wɔ hɔ yɛbɛscreen problem bia na yɛbɛyi afi hɔ nom yɛbɛhu nso ɛde amawa ɛnya asɛm ketewa koraa ɔhaw no nyinaa no ɛbɛhia sɛ ɛbɛma waduro a saa berɛ no so no yɛbɛboa na wɔn sa ka waduro na nneɛma ɛtumi nso ayɛ kama ɛde amawa ɛnya asɛm ketewa koraa ultrasound scan pelvic obstetric scan no ne nyinaa no saa da no pɛ sɛ wobɛtwa bi a 30 Ghana cedis ɔma tete so paa ɛfo 30 Ghana cedis na nneɛma etimi enso ayɛ kama de ama no ɛyɛ Providence Healthcare we believe in nature yare no yɛtɔ etuaka in God we trust 0245 012 791 0245 012 791 na ne Providence Healthcare mo nso matimi adi nkɔmɔ a wɔn nyinaa ka wɔn ɛne atena se asɛm no enso ɛba ɛyɛ wakwam Bristol Plumbing and Hardware Enterprise or see and control so open plumbing materials we need to say PVC pipes, PPR pipes, pressure pipes, and a water hose. Nina no Fabra na wanaso de bromashe amobema obi open sanitary wares, water closet, shower set, wash hand basins, cabinet basins, kitchen sink. Nina no omo ewobi and so omo and na fe open pumping machine, open drilling machine. Ope cutting machine a Bristol Plumbing and Hardware Enterprise bre na on sabeka bi enso ewo ehonomo oba dwaso anoma Methodist School Junction eho na obehu Bristol Plumbing and Hardware Enterprise oko Asante Achimagua Russia Park obehu omo na watimi enso ene mpanifo etimi enso edi eye enkomo enenti no ye adwuma adwada ekopem menenda enenti anopa 7 ekopem 6 eye pm enti bomodin na frɛ yɛn na wopɛ sɛ deliver krama wa yɛbɛyɛ 0246 931 577 0246 931 577 na ne Bristol Plumbing and Hardware Enterprise but me edi ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ ama ɛnneɛma etimi enso ayɛ kama ɛno ɛyɛ etimi enso ato dwa no a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa ti no yɛn sabre yɛbɛkɔ studio B na Louis Japan Figo and so are you ready na yakwakodi nkomo enso afi ehonomo na yetimi enso akọ yenimo 95.5 FM. Figo akwaba.
Mejo so Bazooka.
Abze bibia boko.
Adom bibia boko nyaminti bibia e boko. Enye kwa you can't complain. Because ni okwa complain actually no. Ne dey kwa anye chen. Aha baby on ne won ne wo ye.
Bibia so no problem.
What I say who problem ni you be problem. Aha, eno obi nso problem nso nyo problem. You know, enye kwa mpo na you don't have any option. Yes, odi ane say obenya amotre na wahwetwe di ampo anim. Say obetimi adomo na waboa na bibia akoyi ede ama.
Okay.
Ati sa pepe na ede. Etie. Ti you so we are managing. Nkaka we are managing. Yeah, managing say bibia ebefa na akoye nim ti eye anisa
Some of the ja is a jazz and she be a season shall say I don't tea be crowd ya shall see tea. La lega de any nim sa shall see. A man for Suguso, Monka cracker. Is a asna Momo Baquasa Bantino.
Yeah, easily consular.
Yeah, consular Sabantino idiot. Niji Sampa, mama.
Okay, Bazooka. Ti men come na so men come anymore. Okay, say men come anim dia na Bazooka. My men started with Manchester United. Baby of football na Baba Juno, you can't do away with defensive midfielders. Once maybe a kwemu na football no, now won't mean do away with a proper number 10s. But in a football no baby you do no won't me and do away with a DMs defensive midfielders. So last season and no me most of the teams need pa ayomu DMs. And during this season DMs no born start here peja from there 2-3 seasons ago. DMs no born a peja guso a peja kosoro. So Manchester United team now on Monday me can fear say me adia ba akwa me hu Manchester United team no abia most of United faithfuls no omu omudo omu ne say normal ne say last season United competition no fledu do na muntem enti ekoka league no enti from January to May no na teams now no more contest for Premier League no more a lot of competitions United no ultimate na 2-3 weeks no more game enti no enough rest and no more United from January to May you extraordinary performance from Manchester United. But here go season we no was uncle for competition ni be the ababa be kan ho ene obebo eye Champions League obebo eye EFL no asabo FA Cup but last season we DMs are not do omo ba nipa no trust no won fifi opa na de bi ode ne boy Mikel Carrick no e de ne bo no eye player ye friend no eye Casemiro but ene Casemiro free Manchester United the contract ewu well renew okọ ene omo we anim say obetimi anya proper DM obetimi ababa beka Manchester United in fifi ho last season from January to May Michael Carrick beso mu no obo Casemiro and Abrante a ye friend Kobe Manu omo mienu na obo mo as a pivotal role at the Manchester United team no but ene eyade a Casemiro ko so Manchester United be say here another proper DM me Casemiro last season crapon even if say Casemiro finding himself our top teams and not last season no more yard we Europa Bianca Casemiro on starter and from teams no and Casemiro ko World Cup who ni na wo ye at the World Cup level it Manchester United ebe here proper and established DM and me kind say United be here proper DM on be here proper center back to some extent left back also the ababa be count and now report na eba ne say United here Abrante o see akandima AS Roma our body French national team friend Manu Kone and Makaze Manu Kone and one of the finest DMs are mobile into the game and they had the World Cup ni be pa na Abrante and the bono na had na was pa ye etiene report about Manchester United so almost betimi aka Manu Kone no baba be si kwan a ɛyɛ Casemiro no ɔyɛ ogyinam de mo na ɔkɔ no ɛso ɔba bɛyɛ sɛ adwuma na mo initially ɔmɔkɔ akɔfa Yuri Tielemans ɛde naba from Aston Villa Babazuka Makachos Yuri Tielemans ɔnyɛ proper defensive midfield ɔmo sitting right in front of your centre back ɔmo no sɛ ɔbɔ ɔmo a ɔmo no ɔmo nyɛ destroyer ɔmo yɛ good passers of the ball so always you need a proper DM a obey destroyer obey all the dirty jobs no dey ama Tielemans so Tielemans background na still won share dey nya proper DM makase ko bi manu dey ebe dey say United betim do ma ho odi nyina kwa akogu ne so throughout the season so United be koso hia a proper DM etiene manu koni ena United fo ni di akire official bid bi ankoi ya da sole ya you see United for asan ko back to Brighton and Hove Albion last season omokoi omosanka no and this season omosan ko biem abrantia ye friend Carlos Baleba Manchester United for asan ko no so biem say omo say pe no last season omo try omo possible means bia omo say ntimi anka abrantia friend Carlos Baleba Bazuka so Carlos Baleba last season open DM so man perform with PL anymore. Who did he back on? And I understand him because a player no I am willing to move to Manchester United. Net team nesting no kwa man anko and ya depression better no and ya normal people cause we team wunya say na wunya no previous season. Eti Carlos Baleba and every report here say Manchester United as a to Ediera a team your friend Brighton and Hove Albion akachi omope Carlos Baleba so Bazuka yanya there Carlos Baleba and Manu Koni there's no way Manchester United will sign these two DMs at the same time so will sign Manu Koni no asa kwa Carlos Baleba enya there be adwuma emu ba ko no befa and so United from last season as we interest no Carlos Baleba more than a brand friend Manu Koni was a Manu Koni started by Mla Okwa World Cup na man for started say omu Manu Koni ye pa it Manchester United as it stands now as omu ogidie kese e Carlos Baleba mu more than Manu Koni na no the navy report yourself England ho ba Manchester Kron we ba say Manchester City for so do omu agim e Manu Koni deal ni mo so Manchester City a season omakwa Elliot Anderson dey aba but already Tijani Reinders oko Saudi Rodri beko now we game born last weekend you say what Rodri what's a Rodri in there Omar Sanchez uncle na esikasem na no mo we Barcelona no ma dia to me say boy ni nsi aka fan more this season into omo ya aware and Tijani Reinders and so eney omo permit for this ni bia ba beka already omo sign Elliot Anderson the number from Aston Villa waba kama the mom but still on because PDM cause game on boy against Arsenal community shield no pair Elliot Anderson and Matthew Kovacic Lambast ne call Enzo Maresca so you pass and name modern football baby a Kovacic did no and just how starting or big games like Arsenal big games then say so team starting no Enzo Maresca and so Eddie Nani kwa kodi Manu Koni situation no say ne sabet me aka branch here friend Manu Koni no about be pair with Elliot Anderson mfifi hono ma Bazuka say na den akwa Manchester United are show interest in two defensive midfielders but ene omuma green light and where say we no mo kofa na say we no mo kofa no na Manchester City so about with Manu Koni but one thing I have understanding the transfer window then say e betimi aba say Manchester City dia no krampo no the normal rumors eba because Roma for no any Manu Koni agent no at the moment omote say Manchester United call for Carlos Baleba no then on start here to pressure the go so say Manchester City force one intend to the race so over place okay say Manchester United City intend to the race there any mamenye deal no fast na bibia to nya den entwa tactics aya na course what transfer window say woni me be ti utem bia and omo link here team bia meka se menka se mempe no eti link ne de be koso akokoko so ati ye Carlos Baleba Manu Koni two Manchester United class no fight for Manu Koni and Carlos Baleba they I think the Manchester United nko and try say omonsa ebetimi aka Carlos Baleba nti no yare how so deals no ebetimi akọ na Bazuka Mamirom wo Arsenal Mamirom wo Arsenal last season football no Bazooka yenjin tum say level na ba bedru no, and the teams no they have started respecting defenders and midfielders more than attackers. Once so here transfer window once that who say attackers make a move. I defensive midfielders and offensive midfielders and defenders omo na make move no, and say baby a football na ekono and they are started respected DMs, offensive midfielders, defenders more than attackers, because Omababa Betias say season be ko ye di amawa as I say we consider less number of goals. We all consider goals more na shema emfa. So yes, we consider less number of goals. Well, you need just 1 goal to win a match. We have 10 goals. We have 1 goal ni anshawa where we win match no. But we share 5 near show 6 we lose match no. It most of the clubs no our main concentration our defenders and DMs no some more. So as na last season a season before last season, Bazooka now here as na center pair now they have Gabriel Magalhaes, William Saliba, Ricardo Calafiori. They have Ben White to a center back and Omuyusu as a right back, and they have Jacob Kiwior. Okay, Jacob Kiwior, the Japanese international, not a part of the Arsenal center back a season before last season. No more body Arsenal, but season no Omujano loan Emma Nekoye. Now Arsenal Ekokofa Piero Hankepia from Bayern Leverkusen on loan Edenebaye. Osakofa Mosquera from Valencia Esa Denebaye. All these players are proper DMs. Hankepia and your left back or your DM. Then Okofa Mosquera from Valencia, a young guy Edenebekao. So already a defensive setup next season before last season. Now really best defense in the PL no. What's how I added up with 2 center backs area Baba, and season started, or decided say Obebo Ricardo Calafiori and Henki Pia as a left back, because in a baby game now Babedu, most of the coaches know if you say I believe we say center back as a right back and as our left back. I am now feeling comfortable more than say typical right back, because options a woman say near center back as a left back. I do be more defensive shot no. It be offensively and a 1 yard farmer, but defensively I do the bema. So episode close shops there. We use a center back as a left back. I wouldn't have problem. We use center back as a right back. I wouldn't have problem. But be per se, we have right backs are on betting me joining attacks in the amount there. Then you need a typical a typical right back or Bayer Jumano at the amount. It's last season. Sorry, Arsenal team now, and I say the first day team winning Arsenal PL now. A do do Champions League finals now. The defensive setup ni na na center backs for. Over a year Nyobo to Julian Timber. Bazooka why has no boss a center back who? Why a center back? Over a center back already Gabriel and Saliba. Already made a center backs. Over the left backer say a Piero Henkipia or a center back. Say a Ricardo Calafiori, the Italian mafia. On also no a center back. E di Arsenal center back pair ni nyina no e yade na e omo back four ni nyina e yade center backs defenders. Say Julian Timber ambo na Mosquera bebo a Mosquera ye center back. Say Mosquera ambo na Ben White bebo a Ben White ye center back. So the defense options I say a lot of center backs omo no rotate on the boss ball left back or DB ball right back. That setup every new PL. That setup no emerge as the best defensive team of the season, Edema Arsenal. But going to this season, after the World Cup, Arsenal play a friend William Saliba. Akwa and say injury France no konya injury no. Onya injury no Arsenal last season. Ero mu kura ni mu amani di wie ye. Eti World Cup at a point in time no be anim so ntimi ko World Cup no. E no tim ko ya ko do semi finals that semi final game omo against Spain. Oko player went me Antwa a game ne so. E kan ho kese. But Arsenal force omu way option way. On betimi akoye ni surgery amana ho ato ne ntem amana ba. But on believe we say oye ni surgery emu betimi asa akwa bele o chine bi, but o mani na fresh so a enu abetimi ahili then any identity na yen kope press mbeka ho ne ma no eye enough fresh na healing naturally, cause ade healing naturally Bazooka aya na effective say wode nade ne nsekan beka ntine Arsenal for believe say William Saliba ope so healing naturally e di one way ya from August ya kwesi be November ontimi nkeke ball emfa Arsenal then Arsenal be here another center back their account already they have Piero Nketiah because in the almost sign no outright from Bayern Leverkusen Ricardo Calafiori ho Miles Lewis Kelly timi ball as a left back etimi ball as a central midfielder but ene eyade Mikel Arteta say if say Abrantia friend Saliba ntimi start season e dey or add up a year ni defense no na you two players and no more Julian Kwanzaa and Abrantia ye friend no Wesley Konsa I will say akandema Aston Villa and the report here about say Arsenal we 51 Abrantia ne ba be ye adwuma e dey ama Arsenal and that Konsa ni timi ball as a right back etimi ball as a center back eti options are Mikel Arteta pe e woni defense no ebia no wanya e wo player ye friend Wesley Konsa ho enti ene wie ana o chena nopa one way Arsenal be on very Wesley Konsa as their new signings and Bazooka so obeka ho enya the Arsenal benya problem with Abrantia ye friend no Saliba injury no Arsenal enkonkonya problem do be 15 area Arsenal and Arsenal were a lot of center backs on betimi rotate until Sir William Saliba ebetimi aba be team no and Bazooka baby Arsenal sha hodin no here the mass now this season last season no me strong and they almost sign add up defense that's why I make us enough association football no untimi do away with defense and defensive midfielder and Wesley Konsa and they Arsenal no we our body Arsenal so it means Julian Kwanzaa and the Arsenal be san ko no bi because already Saliba beba etinya do mbeko Julian Kwanzaa hu bi akwa fight for the guy na omaji ama na ko say Arsenal I am the third signing of the season after Tolis and Abrantia, your friend Bruno Guimaraes, and then the next player waba Wesley Konsa. Report na Baniche still as na let's market as kwa another player Eddie Ababa beka ho. It is all here was settle the defense, was settle the midfield. It more likely say the next player beba no. Se wanye number 10 or number 9 edi ama Arsenal ti yegusu ayewe hawa enoma besifa akọ with Arsenal and ne setup now all no this season Bazooka wa paade bi a obi di na wo chance say o ma wunyada
so paade na obi
so mo bobo a ade ba akọ a omo top most priority so obegidin no obenya sika one was anything Southern Americans no adia ba kwa omo top most priority ne say obenya sika no asaji din e dia account so mo bobo a ba zo ba Africa hanum say ya ye top most priority ne say ye ko ni benya sika dia ba we don't think about the name we think about the money. Southern Americans and the difference between omo anyway the Africans and they say omo dwene say ombeji din modern one because omo maji din no ma say den enya sika ba yenya kwadwene sika ne nko aho Julian Alvarez eba Manchester City no a young guy Bono number 9 open a proper number 9 for a game ni mo there's no way you go out be jai Julian Alvarez or but tema Manchester City eyo imagine so mo kwa fa Erling Haaland abano Bazooka it's not like say Manchester City jai Julian Alvarez because onye good o because a boy na young and say won ko fa Haaland obemo goals so we here there's no need say okipu a player we say na talent no that's what we no Edema 80 Madrid man ko ye boy no ko 80 Madrid no I think say we show the potentials no more we say we more than that time I know see a kind of Manchester City no meaning say advantage any move ni decision o take it say obe free Manchester City after winning the Champions League and the World Cup so obe call 80 Madrid no I think say the best decision player ye fair no Julian Alvarez o choose you and so decide the man on wa ko bon ho money and another big team call for Julian Alvarez in the shape of Barcelona. It was say initial me catch us say the Southern Americans na normal me no we ya opedi and ope sika sisi in terms of sika wenya but there was certain things we on man wo a ebema odin no eni ne wo ho wo be Atletico Madrid normal why you Atletico Madrid no senko ye wo Madrid or ye wo Barca ebi anka ba bi edin ne duru no ke bi anka ne kono so vying for Ballon d'Or but because of AT Madrid no entimi pushing it to the entimi pushing to sa ladder no enti eso nya team a ebetimi pushing it to her and nothing they do times be a players need be changes not because of money but because of personal glories or person winning Champions League or person winning another Champions League or person ni no ye can a footballers or more topper ye boni din the count because Atletico Madrid no on Jimmy man at that platform it is always Julian Alvarez obi catch us say ye sika and they motivating no so be free a year 18 Madrid akọ a year Barcelona nipa no kache ne say enya no kole enya sika now sika no wanya bo sika bi opebia no eti ma no fo betimi dia ma no ba ne o pay for now ne say obenya team a ebetimi pushing it to the top and on the Barcelona it is all boy na edeni bofu pa o fight say enso muja no ma ne ye den e ma no ko ba eti ma do da de ba ko mo dwuno say sadi we bazooka senke ekoye Arsenal ekoye United ekoye Chelsea e bi adi we nkoma wie because Arsenal, Chelsea, and them teams no, omo direct rivalries. Eti Barcelona ko Barcelona dia, wa ba be ne direct rivalry. Eti wo ba be no wa be bo a, obetimi atete no. Eti so beton ni Messers. E di ama eye ni opponent on ne ba be compete for league. Amna ba be gidi free the same no there. Onye that mistake. Eti no e na 18 Madrid no esusum. Eti so we no bo photo shoot omo ye ya. Julian Alvarez, ni o top no. 2 seasons 1 season ago and on our no and an one muna no and this season almost the photo shoot it is a picture ni me no a e can be beach now bazooka me send come here penny wo 18 Madrid and after seeing this picture and come open up negotiation with Barcelona you can keep unhappy player what you say brand na ninje Abrante Neninje. So yeah. And Neninje, yes, I saw you because you are under contract. And I saw you. Abrante Neninje or 18 Madrid because
and I social so I Barca center forward.
WWE muni process Lewandowski kwai no omo je de nya artificial center forward a obegina hode amo eti abrani ni okoko lidi attack onko no be for challenge position bia on your young and Barcelona so be projecting more
obe piapia no
obe projecting more and Barcelona one of the teams are I am type Southern American players to Argentina and the Brazilian players and to one say oko Barcelona it's like say obo fie eti boy na happy na ninje edu the photo shooter wa muna pa ye Barcelona forms a chenchina Abrante no so munya no because o ma nya na e be affect o mo this season anything na Ferran Torres o ma ja na ma ne ko no because o mo nim say still o mo kofa Julian Alvarez aba eti me senka me penny e wo eye 18 Madrid and Kene after seeing this picture can open up negotiation with Barcelona what is the yenye payment plan mo me fa nko na ni asumdiem na because untimi keep unhappy player say 18 Madrid for so keep Abrante no for this season na Bazooka yenya the best of a year Julian Alvarez akwa ne modern bobeba form ne rebe ho nti eso mo he no omo ye eye omo eno mayi mami nrom ewo eye Konate
Ibrahima Konate
the meet say the players in intro and then yes
the players in intro there
was it the first JC
na brother na Real Madrid for JC
one thing I know say those things no e ma wunya some sort of love at the ma a team na binya the first JC o first JC na team ben
me first JC
aye
me na hassle
eti na apɛ house nse wa hu se wa hu eti na apɛ house no yes me first JC aminyaye no wow na ye Netherlands national team orange na ya twere chile Seedorf Seedorf
because house na house yi nyina bobo me
yeah ni ya twere chile Seedorf me wo fa bi na the man na JC na ntimi share 5 days a week 5 days in a week no 7 me share 5 times obo bi a me ko bubi ese no na me share che pa Seedorf ko anti ebe ma me benya ado edema the Netherlands national team anti Netherlands national team tournament bi a I have that soft spot no for the Netherlands national team because of me first just now me say na Netherlands national team instead of number 10 na say me eso pa na mabobon because we dey say for penny just ya wa dey ama na mabobobobon ho abobobobon nsa na ntiemonya soft air sport e the master team so ensem na akona take no eye no kore o first just bia obenya bia no e ma obenya do sonko e the master team no eti say ne o kan say ya mpa say ne brother penny ne de sa eye madu just ne share nsa e ma no so a e be ma na nya do e de ama no onim say onko no Madrid and konko Madrid because the contract na basu na Liverpool fire ready say on be renew the contract ne de ama no and asema make a check na ta wie ne say opet you different between say team na waba no waba so ba be ye adwuma and na waba say we do team no difference mo obi ho team na obo no or ye the supporter of the team it is a player no so hwe na ho fama aya na different from near waba so ba ye adwuma near waba no do team no support team no obobo na obon with different mentality o ne say or the no ko say the supporters ni issues say me so me supporter of this club say no man ko ya ebe ha me it yes me give me all it I know so before so benya soft sport na team now you do have the team ope team no it always be ano ope so hu ne dey cause it onye adwuma no emfama Madrid team no ko Madrid team we no team a konate enye no bet na bench obe start na onye ne ho na wonu so nja legacy ewo Madrid team ti that jersey no I think say aweke perfecting the ama Madrid team ti yam fancy name refi na yam amehwe ekokọ so ofi
Congress no ekoso Congress no ekoso nti e ba na be kan Togbe Ganyo Spiritual and Herbal Center ba honhom bamba eyomo a so atiase ya ware honhom mo udi dwa nkoso ba modin akotogbe Ganyo ho na omo aye akwantuo mu nsensem o business no enkoyie asase ho masotwe yare ahodo nyina Togbe Ganyo Spiritual and Herbal Center obehwe edama wa ben yie pa enti ayade a hore so school junction Honorable Togbe Ganyo Spiritual and Herbal Center na ne di komo 0244132069 0244132069 any Togbe any komo amuako Royal Ventures or say be part of the royal family open fridges at all open decoders open rice cookers blenders open PlayStation EB now also wait me at all amo and any mama yen shano so ye panty open phones any home accessories amuako Royal Ventures Abron sign also per branch friend Tiger 0242159621 0242159621 Jamal Herbal Center the Jamal Herbal Mixture Bajaso osisi ya oya odia eye ahodutuo malaria ulcer odia no ya na menses ne ba ensisi so na ejao yao ba se ha die pa na se tatai wedru Jamal Herbal Mixture ebetimi enso aboantino shano so fama e pa se bebi eto dro bia nya dro also pe Jumeshani bi 4403 and ebeso kama Abraham from Anso Fase Capito and so Langard and afi ojaba munyina enso ewo ho nti wodi ene se wokọ bebi eton enuro bia ede ye efu a wo se ope born agro womo enso die ni tumi enso wow na shano so se ope se ofre ya 0246 519012 0246519012 Oko New Age Agro Services wosa ebetumi akabe Kumankuma Health and Research Kumankuma Mala Herbal Mixture malaria esrono koko typhoid fever jaundice wonoma to awontimi ne di Kumankuma Herbal capsules eno so no jana nsansa ena etwa aye oba no anase obema no hwahia sanso ena oni atenka wonpam koko wo so ensu vita gugu waduro aye Kumankuma aye herbal capsules no sanso na Kumankuma gentleman powder ne ointment eboaye pa mabema na ero aye kese aye muyedu enti ompe na pedi eboa ma chese djuma no koyi wonpam enti ko na kwajodie na nioma enye kamama okọ drugstore pharmacy shops herbal shops ansa ebetumi aka bi ewo ho enti ebibidro kan 0242 378-057 and in penny 4 and so endi komo nyina aka ho ena yatena se semino and so etimi aba eye wa kwema enya sem ketu akra ye kase ya no press conference no de extraordinary congress and also ɛkɔ so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnyɛ better na 2020 women's world cup interconfederation playoff Ecuador Uzbekistan preliminary phase hint your we don't want about to make sure you no a one about Samuel Bruno into they just ended WAFCON course so a couple playoff and so a ye la Côte d'Ivoire for the moment say no parents no et me aba we are your group no aba into your Ecuador or Uzbekistan or Papua New Guinea and no and so dear et me and so atoja and no and so dear et me etiano no na idea GFA Vice President Mark Addo or say you need headline sponsor there nemo no I make sure say ama obetimi ama obi enya the right amount a ebetimi aboa ama obi anso etimi abo Premier League no say we are making sure we get the right fit for the Ghana Premier League and no GFA Vice President Mark Addo ebreniti no and some ahodo e course no voices no ye kase ye ho adwuma and enya de be na zisia no price money no a total of 9.5 million Ghana cedis eno ne ye beche for 2026-2027 Ghana Premier League no inti the obewini no ebeje 3 million Ghana cedis the obewini Ghana Premier League no obeje 3 million Ghana cedis the obeto second ebeje 1 million Ghana cedis the obeto miensa ebeje 800 Ghana cedis the obeto 4 ebeje 750 Ghana cedis na Premier League club biano ebeje 1 million Ghana cedis and sana season no and so ashase nti eno edit na cat and so achirechire musa ama obia so ate ne ho ase a eno and so edit no enye asem chakra and then Toma Yeshanos and Yakama na Evelyn is just see you and ladies and they don't draw no on also say having society financial bed ever or minus so on the object it me and so I qualify no idea to another a year car
na take it
I wonder say this a boy we need Diana now so I best
so yeah our conditions some of them they be now or more consider for started this season
but all the my NTS
okay
voice and answer na ye hu de na ket epa akire ankasa na yentimi enclear eho no ema etifo
player in the Black Stars would receive a brand new Jack vehicle valued at $38. Mr. Minister of Sport, who does that award go to? Who does it go to? Who does it go to? Benji Asari. A new vehicle for him.
Oh. Okay. Okay. One said Oman also major financial rewards for the next year season.
Yeah, okay.
Wow. I know somebody about said the major financial rewards for next season, which is season I about starting.
Okay.
It say all started in German salary then rewards here women I saw the mom because I 1 million yeah we see with Yama each team. Last season, no money I say.
Now
1 million, not 2 million.
1 million, sir.
1 million.
What shall 1 million?
Okay. What team say improvement about say well baby no be 3 million. I think say improvement about and then no we need EPL player of the season at 5 million. Or they be able to come
Yeah, so any headline sponsor.
Bazuka be called my main be Coach Richard now sending me you say information about say Dwansane Krufa careful mo no car kese bi asay esi ho no ma e wo corner so pant no drivers for a omo nam kwan no so omo nye careful one way na dia kwa Dwansa Krufa and say sa kwan na okwa agwefo basic Krufa ne sa kwan no so careful so pa it is all you be a o fast akwan so awie ya no aye careful say car kese esi ho no mutino say hu kwan abefa so abed driver Coach Richard ena Emma Mensaka Bazuka yenko eye blaster sorry yenko eye GPL eye or say major rewards announcement no yen started with I think say na announcement say nanka GPL no ACK $5 million sponsorship, but because of betting scandal, no deal na ntimi anko so. But now if you are many about that issue,
and I even Krasaka say betting company be any one balance say they place us our game no.
And no dey care when you as a ignorance na you too much. As a ignorance na there. Okay. You too much. Betting gaming commission on yawo GPL no because wababa register under Ghana Gaming Commission. Etua na tax Chelsea kebi so otua mom ti no. Wo ni wo kwan so obe deny na chance on fa o game senko. Bazuka Saudi betting company ni who. But Saudi league there be any betting.
Oh yeah,
any betting.
Ewom.
There be anaza na ahela bongo kan wa sem wa da bia. Omo mu twa beto omo bet ya halam ohu bet ya halam ohu but because gaming commission no permit onto omo timi use omo yenko ye ma na o kan sa akeke nti o de obi anka say we na o fix matches but ye okwan ye fa so a aya na matches no omo fix si fa koso a ye di blame ne blame o efifo no ni nyina laws down sesika se monye into be a pesca. Yankowit GPL each GPL club abenya 1 million Ghana cedis.
1 million Ghana cedis.
Bazuka, the state of the nation, and as a Ghana, send your young clubs net here. Unya 1 million Ghana cedis are. Ghana is Ghana saying 10 billion, and I are
10 billion Ghana cedis.
And yet 10 billion. Okay, so getting